Howdy crew, today I have a very special unboxing for today's vlog. Let's get to it. As I mentioned, today's very special unboxing. I got this from American Legion Flags. So, as y'all know, I will be having the American flag displayed on the welding rig. It's going to be going off the ladder rack. It will be on the right side. Reason being, let me pull this out so y'all know why. In accordance to U.S. flag code, the American flag, when displayed with this flag, which is very special to me, must be on the right, and this has to be to the left of it. There's a better way of putting it. This flag has to be displayed to the left of it, but this will be displayed on the truck. So, on the left side, the left ladder rack, or left side of the ladder rack, that will be coming down the back part of the truck, will be this flag. So we have to where it is on one side backwards because it is a polyester flag. It will be on the left side, so it also does display this way. Very special flag to me. And again, on the left side of the US flag, so that means the US flag will be on the right side, on the back of course. And this is just very heavy duty. I really like how heavy duty it is. It is a polyester flag, one-sided POW MIA flag. So for those of y'all that do not know, this is for all the prisoners of war and those missing in action serving the U.S. military. And again, very special flag to me. So I am going to have this on the left side. It's just wonderful construction. I do really like how well made it is. It's just a little bit of fuzz on there. It's not anything wrong with the flag itself. But this is just a beautiful flag. And with the meaning behind it, I have to have it on my welding rig. This is a must for me. So this will hook. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to have it hooked yet, whether it's going to be carabiner or with some sort of chain to the ladder rack. I will figure that out once everything is made. But I have to have this on the truck. This is a must for me. So, anywho's, I had to have this as an unboxing. Very special flag to me, and I'm so happy it is here. Gotta have it up for y'all so you can see every bit of it. And I can't wait to have it on the truck. So, I'll obviously keep y'all posted on when the truck is done and when this is gonna be put on it. I think that should be a video in itself and vlog that because it's just a very special flag and it's a must-have. So hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.